Sakai inbound. Pass to Apuya. Apuya, pass to Sakai. To Villanueva, 6 seconds to shoot. Kasumpong, not good. Jersey number 6 through the ball. Pass to Villanueva for 3, not good. Rebound by Campos. Pablo through the ball. Pablo lumipad. Not good. Rebound by jersey number 20 to Sakai. Sakai through the ball. Sakai good for 2 points. Sakai. Apuya through the ball. Apuya. Pass to Pansakala. Traveling violation. Pansakala. 6 minutes and 55 seconds to shoot. Not good. Rebound by Villanueva. Pass to Pansakala. Pansakala. Pass to Jersey number 3. Kasumpong wala. Bulas. Apuya the ball. To Sakai. Sakai kung walang 2. Good for 2 points. Sakai. 10-30. Sakai. Caught foul by Mr. Sakai. Bonus throw, good for 1 point. Sakai. Kasumpong pass to Sakai. Sakai pass to Villanueva. To Pansakala. Block by Pablo. Rodriguez. Pass to Sakai. Sakai. Sakai bumabal ng 2. Caught foul by Mr. Second team foul. Bonus throw by Sakai. Good for 1 point. Sakai. Apuya. 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining time to Sakai. Guarding by Barre. 12 seconds to shoot. To Villanueva. Traveling violation. Mr. Villanueva. 4, 3, 2, 1. End of the... To Jaime. To Sakai. Good for 2 points. Sakai. Jersey number 30. Beautiful. Parido, kumukulang 3. Not good. Jaime, in the ball. Jaime, over the left. Pass to Sakai. Sakai. Pass to Jaime. Not good. Rebound by Pablo. Toring. Pass to Sakai. Sakai to Clarky. Rebound by Pablo. Not good. Rebound by Pablo. Jaime with the ball. Pass to Valmoria. Valmoria pass to Sakai. Sakai pass to Jaime. Jaime pass to Clarky. Traveling violation. Clarky. To Jaime for 3, not good. Rebound by Pablo. To jersey number 32, lumipad. Valmoria to Sakai. Sakai, foul. Foul, Mr. First throw, good for 1 point. Sakai.
Ay na lang tangay. Ay na lang. Yung tangtam. Ay na lang.
Last throw, perfect shot by Sakai. Jaime in the ball, pass to Valmoria. Valmoria na magalali, pass to Sakai. Sakai to Jaime. Still by jersey number 27. Pula sa IAB Lakers. Valmoria to Sakai. Sakai to Jaime. Jaime. Not good. Rebound by Sakai. Good for 2 points. Sakai. Score 16 against 25 in favor of San Jose Hunters. Oras 3 minutes and 51 seconds remaining time. Last throw. Not good. Delivered by Pablo. Pass to Garte. Steal by Garte. To Jaime. 2 points. Pass to Sakai. Sakai. Good for 2 points. Sakai. Pass to Sakai. The guarding Sakai. Guarding by Ricarte. Sakai. Pumukol ng 3. Good for 3 points. Sakai. Not good. Rebound by Plaza. Pass to Sakai. Sakai to Clarky. Clarky lumipad. Good for 2 points. Jaime lumipad. Not good. Rebound by Pablo. 40 seconds remaining time. Sakai guarding by Tapos. Sakai. Good for 2 points. Sakai. 35 seconds. 30 seconds remaining time. Valmonia dito the ball. 15 seconds remaining time. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And Pasok guarding by Barredo, staying by Barredo. Barredo, lebre, good. Apuya. Wala, rebound by good for 2. Apuya, take the ball. Apuya, guarding by Barredo. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Sakai. Good for 2 points. Sakai. To Apuya. Apuya to Bansakan. Foul, jersey number 22. Substitution. Out in Ina.
Paragsak.
Paragsak. First throw. Good for 1 point. Kasumpo. Last throw. Perfect shot by Kasumpo.
Weng, dia pala to, Weng. Do.
Ibanez. Still by Jaime. Jaime in the ball. Jaime the weak ball. Not good. Still by Barredo. Not good. Rebound by Ibanez. Foul. Jaime in the ball. Jaime the weak ball. Good for 2 points. Jaime. Patsakala in the ball. Pass to Jaime. 5 minutes and 10 seconds remaining time. 15 seconds to shoot. Jaime, let me fight. Not good. Still by Jaime. Jaime, turn around to make it. Not good. Apuya, foul. Who's fouling? Offensive foul. Jersey number 20, Patsakala. Warning for graduation, jersey number 20. 13 foul. Still by Jaime. Jaime, turn around. Foul. Foul, jersey number 22. 32, Barredo. Third personal foul, second team foul. First row, go for 1 point time. Substitution. Out in out. 4 minutes and 2 seconds remaining time. Last row, perfect shot by Jaime. Pablo Torreon. IAP Lakers. Valmoria in the ball. To hit all. Not good. Who's foul?
Alte.
Foul, jersey number 40, Apuya. 15 seconds to shoot. Jaime, tumukol lang 3, not good. Rebound by Partido. Aman, dribble ball. Guarding by Paredo. Symbol, 15 second shot clock. Pass to Valmoria. Valmoria to Clarkie. Steal by Pablo. Minute and 25 seconds remaining time. Valmoria plus to Jaime. Jaime. Bula sa San Jose Hunters. 45 seconds remaining time. Pass to Aman. To Inoo. Steal by Maransa. To Rolion. Rolion. Good for 2 points. Rolion. 30 seconds remaining time. Valmoria. Valmoria in the ball. 19 seconds remaining time. Sakal. 15 seconds remaining time. To Aman. To Sakal. 10, 9, 8, 7. Ball. Guarding by Gimania. Pass to Sakal. Blocked by Pablo. Gimania. Still by Clarkie to Sakal. Sakay, pass to Clarkie. Clarkie lumipat. Nakul. Rebound by Jaime. Nakul again. To Gibane. Guarded by Rolion. Sakay. Foul, Mr. 8 minutes and 41 seconds remaining time. First throw, not good by Sakay. Last throw, good for 1. Score 44 against 47 in favor of San Jose Hunters. Jaime, pass to Aman. To Sakay. Sakay. Good. Wala. Wala. Rebound by Pablo. To Maransa. Foul, Mr. Rigarte. Second personal foul, third team foul. 8 minutes and 5 seconds remaining time. Aman. Good for 2 points. Pass to Sakay. Sakay, guarded by Rolion. Sakay. Good for 2 points. Sakay. Clarkie, pass to Aman. Pass to Jaime. Jaime. 7 minutes remaining time. Pass to Sakay. Pumukol lang 3. Not good. Rebound by Clarkie. Not good to Jaime. Good for 2 points. Warning both teams for delaying the game. Sakay. Pass to Inoo. Rebound by Plaza. Not good. Foul. Who's foul there? Foul, Mr. Pablo. Second personal foul, penalty situation. Oras, 6 minutes and 25 seconds remaining time. Last throw, good for 1 point, pick off. Jaime, guarding by Mariso. To Sakay, Pumeke. Blocked by Pablo. 10 second shot clock. Pass to Inoo. Bula sa San Jose Hunters. Aman, take the ball. Guarded by Ricarte. To Sakay. Traveling violation by Jaime. To Pablo, to Ricarte. Good for 2 points, Ricarte. Time out. IAP Lakers. Usa na lang ang time out sa IAP Lakers. Sana Centers na 5-1. Score 51-0. To Sakay. Sakay, bumukol ng 2. Nanduk. Foul by Mr. Sakay. Who's fouled him? Foul, jersey number 32, Parido.
Warning na siya, warning.
Warning for graduation, Parido. Sakay. Good for 2 points, Sakay. Still by Carpet. To Jaime. Good for 2 points, Almoria. Pass to Sakay. Sakay guarded by Pablo. Sakay. Not good, rebound by Jaime. Good for 2 points, Jaime. 2 minutes and 45 seconds remaining time. To Sakay. Sakay. Not good. Sakay again. 12 seconds to shoot. Wala. Rebound by Pablo. To Rick. Pablo. Steal by Jaime. 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 Lumipad. Good for 2 points. Jaime. Step in the line. Pablo. 1 minute and 59 seconds remaining time. Score 61 against 57 in favor of IAP Lakers. Valmoria pass to Jaime. Jaime. Good for 3 points. Jaime. Rollion. Pass to Parido. Rollion. First throw by Mr. Valmoria. Good for 1 point, Valmoria. Substitution, out in out. San Jose, napangoy duha ka time out. Last ball, wala, iba by still by pass to Valmoria. Valmoria, pass to Jaime. 14 seconds to shoot. Sakay. Sakay. Block by Pablo. 20 seconds remaining time. Wala na isang tap. 15 seconds remaining time. To Clarky. 10 seconds remaining time. 9, 8, 7, 6. 6 seconds remaining time. Time out. San Jose enters. 6 seconds remaining time. 6 seconds. 6 seconds remaining time. 6, 5, 4, 3. 2 seconds remaining time. 2 seconds remaining time. 2 seconds remaining time. 2, 1.